Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be reviewing about KAMAL Arts brushes. So I had ordered this from Amazon and it costed me about 295 rupees at a discount. The MRP is around 460 as mentioned on this pack. So the size of the brush is 50 mm. And it's a golden tack-on brush with synthetic fibers and a wooden handle. So let's see how it is. This is the first time I'm ordering from KAMAL Arts, so I'm not really sure. And let's review the product and check some colors. So it was wrapped with a transparent sheet over the hair. And it's useful for oil, acrylics and watercolors. The bristles are soft, it's very smooth, fine. Okay, so let's just test. I'll be just testing on this random sheet. I prefer it to use it for washes. It gives a very nice smooth texture. We can use this for large canvases or for background purposes on A4 sheets. It has good water holding capacity as well. As you can see, I've just dipped once and it holds good amount of water. So far these brushes looks nice to me. I will also review them once again after doing some paintings, and then I can drop in the links below. My first impression was good about this brush. So guys, that's all about it, and please do comment and let us know if you have also bought these brushes and how was your experience. And please subscribe to our channel for many more art supplies reviews and unboxing. Thank you, like and share.